Shiny General Contractor, LLC. We service Pierce, Thurston, and King County in Washington State. Shiny is who you should contact for professional services in landscaping, hardscaping, fencing, deck, and much more. No job is too small or too big for us. Shiny General Contractor is a locally owned home improvement business. Our business is licensed, insured, and bonded. Our team ensures to provide the highest quality experience for our customers. Our crew is experienced in landscaping, hardscaping, fencing, decks, and much more. We offer residential and commercial services, and also weekly discounts. We are ready to provide expert services with several years of experience and accomplish your dream project from start to finish. Guarantee you will love our experience by the time we're finished. Call today to set up a free estimate appointment with Shiny General Contractor, LLC.